Ever wonder what it looks like when an artist dismantles their own myth? Um, the story of Bruce Springsteen's album is a fascinating one. It's a tale of a superstar wrestling with his demons, and the raw, stripped down album that emerged from the struggle. Uh, it's a look at how fame can feel like isolation and how one artist navigated that darkness. The film opens with Bruce riding the wave of success after, uh, but the pressure of fame is mounting graves. He's a working class kid from New Jersey, suddenly thrust into the spotlight, and it's taking a toll. He retreats to a small house in Colt's Neck, seeking solitude to write and rediscover his voice. We don't see a dramatic breakdown, but a quiet unraveling. Jeremy Allen White portrays Bruce as a man, adrift, disconnected from the world he once knew. He's no longer the electrifying performer, but a soul searching for authenticity. Um, he seeks anonymity, slipping into local haunts like the Stone Pony. Um, uh, uh, a fleeting romance with Faye offers a glimpse of normalcy that Bruce struggles to commit, haunted by his own internal battles. He's a rock star trying to be a regular guy. A paradox that defines his journey. He's caught between the demands of fame and the desire for a simple life. The heart of the film lies in the creation of the demo, inspired by Flannery O'Connor and the stark imagery of Bruce Craft's a collection of haunting minimalist songs. He wants to release it as is a raw, unfiltered expression of his inner world. This sparks a conflict with his manager, John Landau, and the Columbia executives. And they see a commercial risk, but Landau understands Bruce's artistic vision and supports his decision. It's a testament to the power of creative collaboration and the importance of staying true to oneself. The film interweaves flashbacks to Bruce's troubled childhood, revealing the roots of his depression and the impact of his father's struggles. These moments provide context for his present day turmoil and add depth to his character. White delivers a nuanced performance, capturing Springsteen's signature rasp and his ability to connect with audiences. He doesn't mimic the star, but embodies his spirit, his vulnerability, and his relentless pursuit of authenticity. The film doesn't shy away from the quiet moments, the internal struggles, and the complexities of the creative process. It's a portrait of an artist grappling with his demons and the courage it takes to share his truth with the world. And it's said that Springsteen once told his band, "We're just trying to make something real." And this film captures that essence. And it's a reminder that even the biggest stars are still human, still searching, still striving to find meaning in a chaotic world. Making an album like must have been like trying to assemble a puzzle in the dark. At least Bruce had a 4-track recorder and a whole lot of soul. Um, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.